Yo, 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 what's poppin'? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Robert, aka Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. As you can see, we got these beat Reeboks that need some good old Reshoevn8r loving. So to do so, we are gonna be showcasing our signature shoe cleaning kit. With all that being said, there's not much left to it, but to do it, so let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, guys, right now it's time for us to go ahead and get this cleaning party popping off, but before I do so, you just can roll up these sleeves because I'm about to get down and dirty on y'all. Also, just gonna grab this signature kit, get this out of here. And for the sake of this video, I'm gonna grab the left shoe, set that aside because we're only gonna be focusing on one shoe so we can show you that good before and after purpose. Right now, I do have to set up our cleaning station. First, we are gonna be using a bowl. Matter of fact, it's actually our dry rack bowl combo that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. All your brushes, stores in it like so. Plus we have that bowl where we can fill up our water. Next, gonna grab our solution and squirt some squirts. We only recommend a couple squirts because this stuff is highly concentrated. A 4-ounce bottle will clean up to 50 pairs of sneakers. Another tool that we're gonna be using is gonna be our adjustable shoe trees. These will adjust up to a size 13. This shoe looks like it's about 11, so I'm just gonna go ahead and guess a few holes back. Put it in like so. Now that our toe box is in, we have that nice form and integrity. The shoe's not gonna bang around and bend while it's in the washer. Plus, I can apply as much pressure as I need to this toe box so it doesn't just cave in. Now it's time to get these laces out of here. Don't worry though, we'll take care of these laces a little later on in the cleaning video. All right, our laces are removed. Now I'm just gonna start with our soft bristle brush. One pro tip is you wanna always dry brush your shoe first. Get off all that loose dirt so you're not pushing it in the material as you're cleaning. So I'm gonna work on that right now. You do wanna be as thorough as possible in this process. All shoes are gonna be different, so you wanna make sure you get in all grooves, nooks, and crannies. As you can see on this one, it has a pretty unique midsole, so I'm gonna do my best to get in there as well. You don't wanna forget the sock liner. Sometimes dust can get in there, so brush that as well. All right, I was able to bang off all that loose dirt that was just settled on the shoe. Now we can go ahead and just grab the same brush we're working with and dip it in the water and solution mix like so, and really just start scrubbing away. To start off, I am just gonna focus on this white mesh just to get the deep possible clean. As you can see, the white mesh is the dirtiest part of this sneaker, which is the reason why we are showcasing our signature shoe cleaning kit, because it comes with our patent laundry system, and it's really gonna flush out this white mesh. When using your soft bristle brush, we like to recommend just brushing in circular motions. You don't have to apply too much pressure, really just let the brush do the work. As you can see, the shoe is lathering up perfectly as it should. After I get one quick pass around the whole shoe completely even, I will grab our microfiber towel and just wipe off some of those suds so I can see what type of deeper stains I'm working with. There is a chance I may need to do 2 passovers with the soft bristle brush. Our soft bristle brush is gonna be safe on all materials, including the sock liner that's on the inside of the shoe. So again, just like we did with the pre-treatment and got off all that loose dirt, now we wanna use the brush to really break down any extra dirt that's still in the material. All right, one quick pass with our soft bristle brush. However, just for attention to detail, I'm gonna go back one more time with our soft bristle brush. All right, breezing through this second pass. I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about Reeboks as a whole. Reeboks was founded in 1958 by Joe and Jeff Foster in Bolton, England. The brand initially specialized in athletic footwear, specifically running shoes. Have you ever owned a pair of Reeboks to run in? Let us know in the comment section down below. All right, we are all done with that second pass, and this white mesh is honestly looking great, even though it hasn't been in the washer. However, one thing I wanna highlight is this sneaker actually contains like a plastic material, very similar to the off-white materials. So in order to get a deep clean on that, what I'm gonna do, just gonna take out the shoe tree and really focus heavily on the insides of these sneakers. That way I can get any loose dirt, debris, and grime. Let's get all that stuff kicked out of there prior to putting these in the washer. For this, I'm still gonna be using our soft bristle brush. While I'm here, I might as well just remove the insole and give this some scrubbing as well. All right, gonna get the insole back inside the shoe. Clean the insole as well as the insides of the shoes. But again, the sneaker laundry system is really gonna flush out majority of that as well. This was just that extra pre-treatment and precaution. Right now though, I can go ahead and just proceed using our medium all-purpose brush. This brush is gonna work great on this midsole just to get a more deeper clean, as well as the plastic areas and the mesh. However, on the mesh, I'm just gonna brush in one direction to avoid any potential fraying or snagging. When using the medium bristle brush and you do choose to use it on a more premium material such as mesh or canvas, just make sure you brush in one direction to avoid any type of potential fraying or snagging. All right, time to wrap up with the medium bristle brush. Back to it with the microfiber towel to wipe off these studs. And while I'm doing this, I did want to hit you guys just with a quick fun fact about Reeboks. If you didn't know, Reebok actually comes from the African spelling Reebok, a type of African antelope which specializes in speed and agility. And that's Reebok, R-H-E-B-O-K. If you didn't know, now you know. Overall, these things are looking great prior to being in the washer. However, I still want to get a deeper clean on this midsole as well as the outsole. And to do that, I'm gonna grab our stiff bristle brush. I did say in the beginning of the video that this shoe had a unique sole and all these grooves, so I'm really trying to get deep in there with the stiff bristle brush. Not only can you use the microfiber towel to wipe off the studs, but you can also use it to help buff off any scuffs and stains. These things are almost ready to go in the washer, but before we do that, I do want to take care of these laces. Pretty simple to clean your laces. Since we have an all black lace, they don't appear to have too much stains on them, so rather than spending too much time scrubbing, just gonna go ahead and put those inside the shoe and we can wash this using our laundry bag. While I'm doing this, I did want to talk to you guys about this month's giveaway. You have a chance to win your very own black metallic 5s reimagined in your size. Matter of fact, we're actually hooking up 5 lucky winners. That's right, not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5. 5 lucky winners are gonna get hooked up with the reimagined black metallic 5s. All you gotta do is make sure you're following us on Instagram, subscribe to YouTube, comment down below what shoe you wanna see us clean next and your shoe size. All right guys, I'm checking in right in front of the washer. Before I drop these sneakers in, I wanna talk a little bit about our sneaker laundry bag. As you can see, we only have 1 shoe inside the bag. However, this bag will hold 2 shoes up to a size 12. When washing in the washer, you do wanna use cold water, normal cycle, and of course, Reshoevn8r laundry detergent. All right guys, we are back. We got these sneakers out of the washing machine. They are fully dry and they are looking wonderful. As you can see, this white mesh is looking flawless. The sneaker laundry system definitely did its job. Last thing we gotta do before these things are ready for another marathon is to lace them up. All right, there it is. That's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these all white mesh Reebok running shoes. Let me go ahead and bring in the dirty shoe so you guys can see how well we got down. As you can see, the sneaker laundry system was able to fully flush out this sneaker, really kick off all that dirt and grime that was trapped all around. you can get results just like this by copying your very own signature shoe cleaning kit that is available at Reshoevn8r.com, as well as all your other shoe care needs. You guys can use the code Reeboks20 to save you guys 20% off your next order, but it's only gonna be good for the first 20 orders, so make sure you guys act fast. With all that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. My name is Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll catch y'all on another one.